your daily regimen. Let's say that you just let it air dry overnight and it's sitting on the mannequin head or whatever you want to use. There's some easily you can get on Amazon for very inexpensive that's not this fancy. That's just a little canvas that's heavy on the bottom and it's not real easy to knock over, so you can just set it on there overnight, and that's really the best thing.
Okay.
Even with my hair, I do wear hair extensions, but I tend to try not to do much drying. Let it kind of dry on its own. Then put a lot of moisture into it. With wave or straight hair, you can still do the flat iron like I mentioned, or wave it, or wear it natural.
Okay.
We're going to use this one as a sample. This is the hair that we're going to be doing for you today, the hair topper. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach over here and I'm going to get the water. It's dry, right? You would think, oh, just put the spray conditioner on. Well, yes, but no. Here's the reason. When I spray this lightly, moisture attracts moisture. So if I already have this lightly damp, then I can come in and have a lot more effect of this and not waste product, and then heavily put this on top of damp hair. Just a little wet moisture goes a long way than bone dry. Okay, kind of makes sense, right? Mm-hmm. Then I'll take the vent brush or whatever brush, or a big tooth comb, or one of our matching hair brushes, which I'll be showing you in a few minutes, and you can just again kind of work that conditioner through. Now, you can take the dryer at this point, if you're going to flat iron it, and dry that conditioner in lightly. If it's going to be where you're going to wear it naturally, or a little bit of curl, wave, because it does have some body in this hair, you could not really do any drying at all. But if you are going to flat iron, you'd want to pre-dry this just a little bit so it's not damp to the touch, and then take your sections to flat iron, okay? And that's what you're going to do on a daily basis. It's pretty simple. So that's the conclusion of what you need to do at home for home maintenance.
Okay.